Naghahanap ka rin ba ng masarap at fresh na seafood and oysters na malapit lang sa New Manila QC area? Kung ikaw yon, this video is for you. According to our food radar, there's a place where you can find exactly what you're looking for inside Robinson's Magnolia. Akit ka lang sa 4th floor papunta sa public eatery at makikita nyo ang Seafood and Oyster Bar. Seafood lovers paradise talaga ang menu from their starters to their sizzling rice plates. You can also indulge yourself with oysters directly sourced from both Aklan and Tayabas. Siyempre, to taste is to believe, kaya tinikman namin yung fish kare-kare, salmon bacon express, and some baked bacon and cheese oysters to know what this SOB is all about. The sizzling rice plate already comes with soup and dessert. Yung oysters naman available in 3, 6, and 12-piece servings and costs between 395 to 765 pesos. We liked Seafood and Oyster Bar for reimagining traditional Pinoy cuisine through their sizzling rice plates. But not just because they replaced meat with seafood, but by also incorporating flavors that aren't usually in these local dishes. Gaya nitong fish kare-kare na bumagay yung smoky grilled fish flavor sa peanut sauce at bagoong na di namin in-expect sa kare-kare. Wala, ang kalat naman kumain. If I'm being honest, medyo bitin ako sa serving ng kanin. But dahil lang yon sa nakakagana talaga yung mga ulam. Kung nagbabawas ka naman ng calories, this shouldn't be a problem.
Ito sabi, best consume immediately yung oyster, kaya hindi ko na patatagalin.
Hindi raw patatagalin pero inuna ko naman yung rice meals. Pero kahit na, ang sarap pa rin itong baked bacon and cheese oysters. Mas masarap kumain kapag may ka-share. Like and follow for more.